Okay, today we are going to discuss about this pattern, how to solve this pattern. First, from user end, we have to enter the limit of the character. If user will enter 6, it will print last A, B, C, D, E, F. According to the pattern, according to this pattern, number of line is 6, and first we need to print the space, and this space is decreasing, and A, AB, ABC, ABCD, these things is increasing. So how to solve this? Like, this is the input part. You may use buffer reader, scanner, anything. So compile the program. If I start it with the debugger here from this part, so class compiled, no syntax error. It is given suppose 5. So 5, where in this line the value of I is 0, n is 5. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, that means this loop will iterate 5 times and it will start from 0. So first, the value of I is 0. The value of I is 0. Condition is satisfied, 0 less than n minus 1, because n is 5. So for j equals to n minus I, in next step, this is called nested loop, loop inside a loop. N minus I, the value of I is 0. So j will start from 5, because the value of n is 5. 5 minus 0, it will start from 5. 5 to 1, this loop will iterate 5 times and it will print 5 space. You can see the debugger one by one, that means step by steps, 5 times this loop will iterate, and you can check the change of the variables here. Then finally 5 space also printed. You may see the terminal window as well. In terminal window, we can see enter the limit of the characters, and the cursor is highlighted here. You may check, cursor is highlighted here. That means 5 space according to the questions already printed. Everyone are requested to turn off your audio, please. So 5 space is already printed. Now 65 less than equals to 65 plus I. The value of I is 0. The value of I is 0. Loop will start from 65 to 65. 65 to 65. If I do the 65 as typecasting, then A will print. First, it will print A. You can see this terminal window, A is there. You can see in the terminal window, A is there. Now the value of A is 66. I request everyone, please turn off your audio. Abhishek. Now the value of K became 66. Condition is not satisfied. Condition is not satisfied. Abhishek, can you hear me, or I'll throw out from the class? Abhishek, turn off your video and audio both.
আমাকে বলছে আমাকে
Abhishek, turn off your video and audio. So now the value of k became 66. 66, this condition is not satisfied. Condition is not satisfied, then this loop will not iterate anymore. And system.out.println cursor will move on to the next line. After that, the value of I became 0, then 1. That means j became 4. Fourth time this loop will iterate. Fourth time the loop will iterate. It will print 4 space. Then the value of I is 1. That means 65 to 66. Twice this loop will iterate and AB it will print. Then system.out.println cursor will move on to the next line. The value of I became 2. N minus 2, 3. 3 times this loop will iterate. Please concentrate. 3 times this loop will iterate. And 3 space it will print. 1, 2, 3. The value of I became 2. 65 to 65 plus 2, 67. 65, 66, 67. 3 times this loop will iterate. 3 times this loop will iterate and print ABC. And print ABC. One first time it will print A. For 66 typecasting it will print B. And now it will print C, ABC. The value of K became 68. K loop is not satisfied. System.out.println cursor will move on to the next line. Value of I became 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 times this loop will iterate and 2 space it will print. 1 space, 2 space. Then condition is not satisfied. 65 plus I, the value of I is 3. That means 68. So 65, it will print A, B, C, and D. That means 65, 66, 67, 68. Print ln. The value of I became 4. 5 minus 4, 1. This loop will iterate 1 time. See, 1 time this loop will touch the space. And then it will move here. The value of I became 465 plus 469. It will start from 65 to 69. A, B, C, D, E. Now the value of K becomes 70. Condition is not satisfied. Move on to system.out.println. Move on to the next line. It is going there. The value of I became 5, but N is 5 minus 1. Loop is not satisfied. It will move out from the block. So by this way, we can print this pattern. By this way, we can print this pattern. If anyone having any doubt, I'll give 30-second time. Within that, please raise your hand.
স্যার একবার শুধু বলবেন স্যার ওই n-1 কেন নিয়েছেন একবার শুধু স্যার বলে দিন
It's not necessary that you have to take n minus 1. You can start from 1 to less than n also. It's depend. It's not that whatever things are here you have to do it. You can do it by your own way. But basic thing is, if the number of character given by the user is 5, that means 5 lines we have to take. That means the outer loop need to iterate 5 times. Then space we need to control and element we need to control. It's not necessary that you people have to do in this way. You may do by your own. That means own concept also. The outer
Okay,
loop it
sir.
is written
Sir,
that I equals to 0,
string
I equals to 0, I less than n minus 1. You may start from 1, I less than n also. Yes, Devatro.
Okay, sir.
স্ট্রিং দিয়ে করলে আরো ছোট হয়ে যাবে
What I told,
পরের লোকটা রাখতে
what I told. I told it depends,
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
but how we will do this one using string, because
Yes, sir. হ্যাঁ স্যার ওই
enter the
লিমিটটা তো স্যার জানি না।
enter the limit of the characters. If direct pattern is given, at that time you may do. If direct pattern is given, you can see here it is given. You can see here it is given enter the character. So how we'll know the limit? So how we assign the string also? So this is all about this pattern. I think no doubt from this part. So I'll move on to the next part. Very simple things. This program we may do it in a single line also to make you know about this statement, like char a r third bracket open third bracket close st dot char at array. We have to do in this way directly. The pattern is, if you see the pattern, if you see this pattern, so in a single line we using substring also we can do it. Single line within a printing statement and loop we can do it. But to know the concept of this one, please this highlighted lines, char a r r third bracket open third bracket close equal to s dot to char array. Please note the syntax as well. S dot to char array. S dot to char array. What is the meaning of this? S dot to char array means whole string will convert to character array. Whole string will convert to character array. And after that, nested loop is used here to print this pattern, Apart from this concept also, you may print this pattern in different way. Definitely I'll discuss about the two. So how to convert a string to the respective array, character array, you have to write the array variable and the data type is char equal to st dot to char array, st dot to char array. Let's check this one using debugger. Yes.
স্যার স্যার এটা তো বইতে নেই, মানে নতুন বইটায় আছে।
You may use, no problem.
ওকে স্যার।
স্যার এটা কি ইন্টিজারের ক্ষেত্রে ইউজ করা যায় কি শুধু ক্যারেক্টার?
If you
মানে
want
যদি
to
স্ট্রিংটা
use,
শুধু
no,
নাম্বার থাকে?
no. It's only for the string to character array. That means if you want to convert any numeric value to array, then we cannot write like this. Suppose int s equals to 1 2 3 4 5. We cannot write that s dot to char array. We can't. To find out the character array, we can do it in case of string only. That means if integer value we want to do, you have to convert it to the respective string by using the concept string, integer dot to string, by using integer dot to string. Is that clear to everyone? This is applicable only for the string. That means only string we can convert to their character array. Integer we can't. If I want to convert the integer to this respective array, then we have to convert this integer to their respective string by using integer dot to string. Then we may follow this concept. So first let's see how we'll do it using debugger, like in this for loop. You can see this line I equals to 0. Next step it will come here. This will iterate only one time because j equals to 0, j less than I, and it will print AR of j. That means Krishna is given, so k it will print. It will print k there. It will print k in next line, print ln. Then the value of I became 1, 0 and 1. The index of 0 and 1 it will print. Then print ln cursor will move on to the next line. You can see the value of I is increased, and it will print the character accordingly and print ln. We are doing this using nested loop. Apart from nested loop also we can do it. Done. This is the use of this s.to char array and this method. If anyone having any doubt about this pattern, please raise your hand. If anyone having any doubt about this pattern, please raise your hand. I'll give 30-second time. It's already 7:20, 6:24, 22, 20,
So
18.
স্ট্রিংটা তো ইনপুট নিতে পারি।
Your choice. Yes. String image string. This is assigned there. Okay, thank you. So this part, people having no doubt. Let's see within a single, that means single loop, how we can do it, how we can do this program. In a single loop also we can do this program, but how? Let's check. Yes, Abhishek.
One problem that we can use
What?
that you have used ace.char array
Yes, you can use.
syllabus.
Yes, you can use. And the simplest form, if you know, that means by substring, what we need to do, int I equal to 0, I less than I equal to 1, I less than equal to st dot length and then I plus plus. After that, if I write system dot out dot print ln, and if I write it's s dot substring 0 comma I, then also we'll get the result. Bracket is missing here. See, same pattern, but previous one previous one, we are using nested loop with the use of character array, and here you can see by using substring. It's your choice, you may do anything, but do it accordingly. Whatever needs of the questions, accordingly you have to act. So s dot substring 0, 1, let me explain how it will work. First input, you may take the input also, or you may assign to the program. If I assign string s equals to Krishna is given, I start from 1. Why we need to start I from 1? Because all we know the use of substring 0, 2, that means it will print 0 and 1. If range is given, it will start from the first number to 1 less of the range. Like if 5, 8 is given, then it will print 5, 6 and 7. All we know, substring is a method of string which extract the sub part of the string, and we may use this substring in two different way. Either if I give a single value, single index, like Krishna is there, if I give 2, then it will print Isna, ISHNA, if single value if I give. Whatever value we will give, from this value to end of the string, it will extract. From this value to end of the string, it will extract. And if you give a range like 2, 5, 2, 5, then it will start from 2, it will start from 2, and it will print 1 less of 5. That means 2, 3, 4. Whatever character is there in this index, this part of the string, it extract. So here we are using I1, because if you give 0, 0, it will return null. So we have to give 1. So I is 1, 0, 1. 0, 1 means it will print only one character which is belongs to 0 and which is k. Then the value of I became 2, 0, 2. 0, 2 means it will print, or it will extract the part of the string as 0 and 1, 0 and 1 index, which is kr. Then the value of I became 3. When the value of I became 3, 0, 3 means it will extract from 0 to 2. You may see 0 to 2. 0th index k is there, 1 index r is there, and 2 index I is there. By this way, when the value of ki became 4, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, KRIS, like this, Chris, KRISHN, and Krishna. We may continue. This is the two different way by what we can solve this type of pattern using substring. This is the two different types of method two different types of pattern we discuss. One is you have to give the characters, number of characters, and you have to do. And the last one is Krishna in two different way. Any time we may disconnect it, it's that means less than 1 minute left. So quickly you have to join. You have to join. In next session we'll discuss the different things. Quickly you have to join. This is all about this pattern concept. Next session we'll do constructor program. Revise the constructor program for ICSE 2020. So please join.